Hey everyone, it's Pankaj and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the one of the fundamental aspect of React development, that is routing, and I am going to show you how to do routing in React in a way that's easy to understand and easy to implement. By the end of this video, you will be able to create navigation for your single page application effortlessly. So let's get started. First thing first, we need to understand what ReactRouterDom is. It's a powerful library that allows us to handle routing in our React applications. Think of it as a GPS for your React app, guiding users to different pages without having a load to new HTML document from the server. To get started, let's install ReactRouterDom. Open your web browser and search for ReactRouterDom. So here is the npm package to install routing, and here is the official website of ReactRouter, so you can take reference from that. So I want to install package, so I have to open the second website, that is npmjs.com. Here you will find a command to install npm package in your React app, so you can copy it from here, or you can simply type this command in your terminal of your project. Let me show you. So here is my project in which I want to do routing. So here are some simple or example components I have created, that is contact, dashboard, home, navbar, privacy policy, products, and last but not least, terms and conditions. So I want to navigate these all components from my React application by using routing. So first thing first, I have to install the npm package on your terminal. If there is no terminal, you have to click on here terminal and new terminal. So type command npm I reactrouterdom and hit enter. So this command will install ReactRouterDom to your project. Let me show you where it is installed. Here is my package.json and here is ReactRouterDom package. So it is successfully installed in your package. So now second thing is, I am going to create a separate file for this project that handle all routing of React. Let me create a new folder inside src folder. New folder name is routes, and inside that I have created a new file, that is routes.jsx. So inside routes.jsx file, I have to import package that I recently installed, that is ReactRouterDom. So let's type import from ReactRouterDom, and inside that package I have to import some functions, that is browser router as router, or second one is routes, third one is route, and the last one is navigate. You have to import these four things from your ReactRouterDom. So after importing this, let me import all these components which I use to navigate. The first one is contact, so let me type import contact from / components, and inside that folder is contact.jsx. And second one is dashboard, third one is home, and the fourth one is privacy policy, and the fifth one is products, and the last one is terms and conditions. So I have import all my components which I want to use in this routing. So after importing all these things, you have to create a new function that we are going to export from this file, that's contain all routing logic. So I have to type const app router, type return. So first thing, I have to use router that import from ReactRouterDom. Here browser router as a router. So inside this tag I have to use routes. Now inside this routes tag, I have to write logic for all my imported components, that is first one is for home component. If I go for slash, like let me show you, let me start development server by running npm start. So after writing this logic, we have to export this app router function. So we have to type export default app router. Now this function is exported. After exporting this app router function, we have to import this function inside app.js file so that we can use our routing. So let me open my app.js file right here and remove all the logic from inside this. Let me import the routes file which contain all routing logic. So I have to type import routes from inside routes.jsx. So after importing file, I have to use it right here, routes. So after writing this logic, let me check my browser. It's give me error like module not found and dashboard. Let me check once again what I have typed. Dashboard, spelling mistake, BOARD. Now it's fine. So here you can see if I want slash, it will show me the data of home component. If I am change this, let me show you by changing this home component, Pankaj, and here is my browser, Pankaj. All changes are here. Now write logic for another components as well. So this is for home component. If I am on slash, it will open home component. If I am on slash dashboard, it will open dashboard. If I am on slash products, it will open my product page. If I am on slash contact, it will open my contact page. If I am on privacy policy, it will open privacy policy. So it shows a warning like we have to use Pascal case inside that. We are not going to use underscore. So let me change this, privacy policy, and also here privacy policy. Now it's fine. Write logic for terms and condition. So if I am on terms and condition, I have to open this page and also change this for Pascal case. Now it's fine. So let me show you in my browser. So this is for home component. If I am go for slash dashboard, if I am on dashboard, it will show the all data inside the dashboard component. Now check slash products. It will show products data inside that. After writing logic of all your components, you have to handle the navigation which are not in your routing logic. Like if I am going to other than these routes, what I have to show, I have to redirect to my home component. Let me show you once. If I am on slash Pankaj, so now it shows nothing right here. So I have to logic to handle these such navigations. Let me type here. If I am on anything that is star, it will navigate to slash. That means it navigate to this route slash and it will open the home component. Let me show you an example. Let me type slash Pankaj and it will redirect to your home. Let me show you once again. If I am slash contact, it is showing contact page, and if I am go for slash contacts SSS and hit enter, so it will redirect me to my home component. You can see here. Let me explain you some logic of this code. The first tag I have to use is router, and the nested tag I have to use routes, and inside that routes I have to use route, the logic of my all components. So the path is where I have to navigate and open this component, and element is on this path which component you have to render. Like if I am on slash dashboard, I have to open dashboard component. If I am on slash product, I have to open product component. Here is my all logic of React routing. So the last one is this will handle all my faults or other than these routes and navigate to my home route. So if I am on any route other than these, it will redirect me to my home page. You can also create a new component like not found component. You will render here in place of navigation. That's totally up to you. Let me show you an example for this. I have to create a new file, not found JSX, and inside that I have to type some basic code inside that, and I have to use on start this component. So I have to import this, import, and the file name is not found. I'm going to comment this and use this my new not found page by replacing this navigation. Now open your browser and let me type some falsy routes right here, like anything, and hit enter. So it will redirect me to not found logic or not found component right here. It is totally up to you. You can use to redirect to home, or you can render any component in place of navigation. And there you have it, routing in React made easy with ReactRouterDom. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect. So take what you have learned and start building amazing single page applications. Don't forget to like, share this video. If you have any questions or topic you did like me to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Happy coding!